Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today, we're bringing you a real-life English conversation in a very common situation, waiting at a clinic. Have you ever sat next to someone in a waiting room and didn't know how to start a conversation in English? Or maybe you wanted to sound polite and natural, but weren't sure what to say? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this episode, you'll hear a friendly and simple conversation between two strangers at a clinic using real-life English phrases you can use anytime. Grab your headphones, practice listening, and get ready to speak English with confidence. Let's go. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. Please have a seat.
Thanks. It's quite full today.
Yeah, I guess everyone's trying to come in before the weekend.
Probably. Are you waiting to see the doctor too?
Yes, just a checkup for me. You?
I've been feeling a bit dizzy the past couple of days. Nothing serious, I hope.
I hope so too. It's always better to get things checked early.
Exactly. Have you been coming to this clinic long?
For about a year now. The staff here is really nice.
That's good to know. This is only my second time. I just moved to this area last month.
Oh, welcome. How are you liking it so far?
It's nice. A bit quieter than the city, but that's actually what I wanted.
Yeah, it's peaceful here. Not too far from the main town, but not too noisy either.
Exactly. Do you live nearby?
About 10 minutes away. I usually walk here unless the weather's bad.
Same. I walked this morning. It's actually a nice day.
It is. Much better than yesterday. It rained all afternoon.
I know. I got caught in it without an umbrella.
Oh no. Hopefully you didn't catch a cold.
I might have, to be honest. That's part of why I'm here.
Well, fingers crossed it's just a mild cold.
Thanks. So what do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
I work at a bank, mostly customer service. What about you?
I teach English online. It's flexible, so I can move around if I need to.
That's interesting. Do you teach kids or adults?
A mix, actually. Some young students, some professionals who need English for work.
That must be rewarding. And probably a bit challenging too?
Definitely. Some days are easy, some days require a lot of patience.
That's how it is with people, I guess. I meet all kinds at the bank too.
I bet, especially when they're dealing with money.
Yeah, exactly. People get a bit tense sometimes, but most are polite.
That's good. So, have you always lived here?
Pretty much. I moved away for university, but came back afterward. My family's here.
That's nice. It's always good to be close to family.
Yeah, especially when you need support or just the home-cooked meal.
Totally agree. I miss that, actually. My family is still back home.
Do you get to visit them often?
Maybe once or twice a year. It depends on work and travel costs.
Understandable. Video calls help, but it's not the same.
True. Do you have any hobbies you do around here?
I play guitar a bit, and I go cycling on weekends. There's a great trail near the river.
That sounds lovely. I've been meaning to buy a bike.
You should. It's a fun way to stay active, and the views are beautiful.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the suggestion.
Anytime. Oh, looks like the nurse just called my name.
Ah, okay. Well, it was really nice talking to you, David.
Likewise, Emma. Hope everything goes well with your checkup.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks for listening to this real-life conversation from Learn English Moments. Even a waiting room can be a great place to practice English and make small talk. Want to speak English more naturally? Subscribe to Learn English Moments, like this episode, and share it with your friends. See you in the next conversation.